Hey everyone, welcome to the 15th video of this WordPress course. In this video we are going to learn about categories and tags. Now people get usually confused between category and tag. So let us jump on to this video. So first of all, let us go and hover over to posts and create on add new. So whenever you create any post, let us name this post as how to create a new post on WordPress. Now suppose that this is the title of my post and I want to, now in the right hand side you will see something called as categories. Okay, you will see something called as categories. So currently there is one default category which is uncategorized. So just a moment, let us go to our website, hover over to blogs, and this is our hello world default blog, and this is under the categories uncategorized. So category is nothing but grouping specific posts according to the type to which they belong. So what do we mean to say by that is, suppose you are writing about, let us take this example, we are writing about WordPress, how to create a new post on WordPress. So it will come under the category called as WordPress, or it can come under category called as digital marketing. So in a website you can see that there are various categories. So digital marketing can be a very broad category. Inside digital marketing there can be various small categories, like there can be WordPress, there can be Facebook ads, there can be Google ads. So all these different things are nothing but these are different categories. So categories represent the common thing which is among this post, or what one common element is there in between these posts. And tags speak more specifically about that particular post. So now let us take an example. So this post would be under add new category, and new category name would be WordPress category. Okay, and there is this option called as parent category. So we are not going to assign any parent category. So sports is a very general category, and sports can be a parent category, cricket can be a child category, football can be a child category, and it could go so on and on. So we are not assigning any parent category, so we are only currently assigning a single category, which is WordPress. And now here is this option called as tags. Now tags will help you define what this post is actually about. So how to create a new post on WordPress, so these are steps. So this is one type of tutorial, so it is a tutorial. So I'll add a tutorial as one tag. I will add WordPress course, WordPress course as other tag. So we'll add digital marketing as a tag, and it would go on and on and on. So basically one post should generally belong to one specific category. Now there is no hard and fast rule that one post should only belong to one category, but it is quite good that if that post belongs to one particular category, but that particular post will always have multiple tags. Because let us take an example, you are writing a post about India versus New Zealand match analysis. So what would be the post category? So the category would be sport, that would be the parent category. The child category would be cricket, and what would be the tags which are in that? So tags can be India versus New Zealand, or cricket, or sports news, or analysis, match analysis. These all things can be the tags. So actually tags have their importance in SEO. SEO stands for search engine optimization. Now we are not going to dig into that concept, as we are not SEO expert ourselves, so we won't preach what we don't practice. So we know SEO theoretically, but we haven't applied it. But we can tell you only these general things, that tags and all these things have their own importance in SEO. You can learn from this with some other videos, but let us stick on to our concept. So whenever you create any post, it should be generally under one category, and it should have multiple tags. So first of all, let us, okay, no, let us publish this. Let us publish. Okay, let us view this post now. How to create a new post on WordPress. Okay, this is done. Just a second. The category was not added, because if the category would have been added, there would be some other category shown over here. I think we forgot to add the category. Let us write WordPress as the name of category, and we will untick uncategorized and only click on WordPress. Let us update this and let us refresh our post. Now this is under another category. WordPress appears over here. So generally it is recommended that you don't have this category uncategorized. So if you want to edit categories similar to posts and pages, hover over to categories and click on categories. So you can edit this category. So suppose you want to delete this category, or better we will rename this category to what would be the general. Let us name this category as general. Now slug is nothing but the URL which will be displayed, so let us keep this slug to as general. So here it is the option of parent category. We can give parent category over here. Let us click on update. Okay, let us go to categories again, general and WordPress. Let us refresh. Okay, let us refresh this blog space too. See, our new blog is automatically appearing over here in the blogs page. So that is pretty much it from this video, and we hope that you learned something new from this one.